Think about your current medical preparation. You probably have a standard first aid kit in your car or a cabinet filled with over-the-counter meds at home. You feel safe. But as we move further into 2026, the reality is shifting. Most of these kits are designed for minor scrapes in a world where a pharmacy is always 5 minutes away. But what happens when the pharmacy doors stay closed? What happens when the just-in-time delivery system we all rely on finally snaps? Today, I'm going to show you why your modern medical preparation is actually a ticking time bomb. The first major issue is what I call the shelf life trap. Modern pills are incredibly fragile. They are sensitive to heat, light, and humidity. If you're storing your emergency meds in a hot car or a damp basement, they are degrading much faster than the date on the bottle suggests. But even more importantly, once they're gone, they're gone. You can't grow more aspirin in your backyard, and you can't manufacture antibiotics in your kitchen. You are currently 100% dependent on a supply chain that is increasingly unstable. Before we go any further, if you are someone who values independence and wants to protect your family regardless of what's happening in the world, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm show this vital information to more people like you. By joining this community, you're taking the first step toward true self-reliance. Done? Great. Let's get back to the problem at hand. Gap. Most of our essential medicines are produced thousands of miles away. In any real crisis, those trucks stop moving. We've already seen how quickly store shelves can go bare. Relying on a complex global network for your survival isn't a strategy, it's a gamble. But the biggest flaw isn't even the pills themselves, it's the knowledge gap. We've become a society that stockpiles things instead of skills. If you don't know how to manage a fever or treat an infection when professional help is unavailable, all the bandages in the world won't save you. We've traded our medical independence for convenience, and in 2026, that convenience is becoming a luxury we can no longer afford. Our ancestors didn't have 24-hour pharmacies, yet they survived for thousands of years. They didn't have chemical laboratories, but they had something better, a living apothecary. Before the pharmaceutical era, every backyard was a pharmacy. People knew which root stopped a bleed and which leaf broke a fever. They understood that nature provides the raw materials and knowledge provides the cure. They were resilient because their medicine didn't have an expiration date and it didn't arrive on a shipping container. Your current plastic first aid kit is a good start, but it is not a long-term solution. It's a temporary bandage on a much larger problem. To truly be safe in the coming years, you need a system that doesn't expire and doesn't rely on a retail store. You need to bridge the gap between modern convenience and ancestral wisdom. I've been researching the exact tools and blueprints needed to build a permanent home infirmary, a system that actually grows with you. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to reveal the specific physical resources and the lost medical knowledge that will allow you to stay healthy even when the system fails. Make sure your notifications are turned on, because in the next video, we're going to look at your backyard in a way you've never seen it before. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.